Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I told you guys that I was going to be uploading a lot more content that had to do with my business, with my career. I am a lash artist, a lash tech, whatever you want to call it. I prefer lash artiste. But yeah, today I am showing you guys how to make a lash bath or how to make an aftercare kit for your clients. So if you are interested in learning how to do that so you can implement it into your business, then keep on watching this video. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to click the subscribe button and then click the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. I do a lot of type of content in this channel, like weight loss, self-love, self-care, business, woman empowerment. So if you're into that, subscribe. Is 8 o'clock at night. I'm currently in esthetician school. That is why I have my headphones on. Today is just orientation day, so we're doing it virtually. Like a lot of the stuff that's not hands-on, which the majority of the program is hands-on, we are doing it online. So you guys know that as a business owner, I am a huge multitasker. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make lash baths from home and how to sell those lash baths and how to set them up. And if you don't know what a lash bath is, it's the soap that is needed to wash eyelash extensions. I recommend that you sell this product to all your clients. It's a good profit the way that I make it, and it's great for your customers because they will have longer retention in their lashes. So let's head over to my studio. I am also listening to my class online while I show you guys how to make the lash baths and the kit. And I'm going to tell you guys everything that you need. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you everything that you need for the lash bath. That is my class right there. You guys know I'm the little multitasker. But anyways, you're going to need some bottles. I like to use these because they are foaming bottles, and these type of bottles, like a little bit goes a long way with the product. They are very good quality. I got them from Amazon and I'm going to link them below. Then I got the Prolong concentrate. So this is a complete care eyelash extension and daily facial cleanser concentrate. So you are able to get this and dilute it with water, which is what we are going to be doing today. The ingredients are listed right here on the back, and the instructions on how to mix it. It says mix 1 part concentrate to 2 parts distilled water in a foaming pump bottle. Shake well and pump 3 to 4 times onto a cleansing brush. So this is what we are going to use to mix our product today with some pure baby water. Then I have these brushes right here. These will also go in the kit alongside the spoolies, just so they can brush out their lashes. I'm including 2 of these spoolies in each kit. Then I have a lip mask. I'm including 1 in each kit as well. I'm also including aftercare cards. These are great because they give the client specific instructions on how to care for their lashes and everything like that. Then I'm including my own business cards, and there's gonna be a label that I made. It has my logo and everything. If you guys want a video on how to make logos for your products, let me know. But this is gonna go on my bottle. And then I haven't decided yet, but I think I'm going to put the products in these mesh bags or these clear bags. We will see. But this is all you need to make the product. So I'm going to bring you through the entire process. So let me set up my area, disinfect and everything, and you guys will see how I do everything. this one doesn't have a label. So this is how they look once they are labeled. So now I'm gonna package everything. I have a lot more to make, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna make one batch first and then another batch. Alright, let's arrange the goodie bags now, or basically the entire kit. The lash kit. It's not a goodie bag, it's your care for your lash kit. Lash bath kit. Yeah, lash bath kit. Recommend this to all your clients, y'all. Alright, so I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna use this goodie bag. So I'm literally just gonna throw things in here and see how cute they look. So here I have my two lash bath kits. They both contain the same exact thing, but for some reason I like how this one looks better. I feel like it looks more luxe, but this is an option, and then you can see all sides of it as well. For now, I'm going to bag these. Actually, I'm gonna use these for November and these for December. Me? It's so weird. No, it's just weird, like talking on Zoom and overlapping one another. I have to get used to it. But anyways, so hi everyone, my name is Mariela, and I'm from the Lawrence area. And something interesting about me is that I actually thought that I was gonna be the oldest one in this class. So it makes me happy to see that I see people around my age group, which leads me to what brought me. So like I'm restarting my life and I'm like doing what I'm passionate about. I went to school for communications and media studies, and I have a bachelor's degree that I'm not using. So I'm excited to be here and like learn about things that I'm passionate about and apply it to the rest of my life. So that's what brought me to this school. Definitely, because I minored in marketing, so if I decide to go solo and whatnot, it will definitely help me, like, knowing how to advertise and brand myself and stuff. Thank you. All right, y'all, so I just finished aesthetics class. You guys heard me introduce myself. Today was the orientation, and I did my lash paths while I was listening to everything that they were reading. Here they are. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I display all of them. And like I said, I went with this mesh little bag for the month of November, because in December, focus. Okay, it's focused now. Because in December, I'm going to be using the other bags, which are more flashy to me. These. Maybe I'll throw something else in there for the month of December. But yeah, I'm gonna display these now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I display them. Guys, so this wraps up this video. I hope that you found this useful and that you are able to make the most amazing lash bath and the most amazing lash care kits that you can to sell your clients. I know that you guys are gonna ask, so I just want to let you know that my kits are going to be sold for $20. I think that that's not too much and not too little, and that lash bath is gonna last you anywhere between 6 months to 1 year. You only need a little tiny bit, so 20 bucks is a good and fair price. However, you can price your lash care kits whatever amount you want, but that is how I make mine. I hope that this video was useful to you. If it is, please comment below so I can keep making these types of videos. Until the next one, you guys.